Hello, business owners and entrepreneurs. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of machine capacity sheets? If you're looking to streamline your manufacturing process and boost your operational efficiency, understanding how to prepare and utilize a machine capacity confirmation sheet is vital. So, what exactly is a machine capacity confirmation sheet? Think of it as your roadmap to maximizing productivity and managing your resources effectively. This document helps you plan and allocate your machinery resources by detailing each machine's capabilities and availability. First, let's talk about gathering the necessary data. You'll need to start with the basics. Know your machinery inside out. What are their makes, models, and specifications? How many hours can they operate daily without overheating or needing maintenance? This initial data collection is crucial. Now, on to preparing the sheet. Your machine capacity sheet should include several key points. 1. This helps in scheduling and workload distribution. Remember, overloading can lead to breakdowns, so be realistic. Make sure to schedule it in a way that minimally affects production. Considerations when preparing your capacity sheet include the accuracy of your data. Inaccurate data can lead to poor decision-making, which can be costly. Also, be flexible. Production demands can change rapidly, and your capacity planning needs to be adaptable. Lastly, let's talk about the benefits. With a well-prepared machine capacity sheet, you can reduce downtime by scheduling maintenance without disrupting production. Increase output by optimizing the use of all available machines. Manage workforce requirements more effectively by predicting busy periods and planning accordingly. In conclusion, a machine capacity confirmation sheet isn't just a document. It's a strategic tool that, if used correctly, can significantly enhance the efficiency and output of your manufacturing operations. So take the time to prepare it thoroughly and update it regularly as your business and machinery evolve. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, efficiency is key to staying competitive. Unlock the full potential of your production with a solid, well-planned machine capacity confirmation sheet. Until next time, stay productive and keep innovating.